I have a message of hope for the residents of Sarasota County, Florida. Your hope is coming with the school board election on August 20th. Tom Babicz will defeat Tom Edwards and end the sexualization of our children in the classroom. Babicz will bring all of our schools back to normal for all students, parents, teachers, and staff. It is important that the Sarasota County schools and the citizens of this county demand that every piece of DEI, CRT, LGBTQ, and pornography be removed from every classroom. That also includes all of the leftover Common Core curriculum. The woke agenda must be defeated. Parents, teachers, staff, and students must know that all of our classrooms are once again safe. We must know that we have returned to the ABCs and the 3 R's, and our goal will be for a Phonics First program with every student to have optimal student achievement. To support Babicz, B-A-B-I-C-Z, go to his Back to Normal campaign at www.electbabicz.com. Thank you, and God bless America.